Tickets. Tickets, Wasem. If you're a minister and you are concerned,
My mama akwa by bag and some TVGH. Message like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime you post a video, it say you stand back. Ebusian force say the okasa na yechi. Akoye to say Ghana police service no e wo homa MPP phone pe. Just MPP is as if say MPP phone kwa na omo infringe infringements on the law. What an NDC person will say and get away with it, uye MPP ne ko kape echiw. Enti achichichichi government ena abano no. Aban papa NDC for say abano. Abanya unya kasape echiw. Now look, some of the some mabekano me yemi na meka NDC journalist ya FN Kankam Boadu onwa na ni allegation. Mbeka ya beye 2 weeks ni. Yes, 2 weeks. Ebia ndrumpo. I came to break a story here. Say, the Ghanaians who are abroad, they are complaining. Now complaining and said they are saying, say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has lied to them. And lying there, Mbeka ya prior to the beginning of the World Cup. World Cup no in some yeah. In fact, World Cup we mun say no. So person muti, some person muti ni year. Ebe 2020 yakupo maye nkwa. Right? And President Mahama say they were not planning on transporting any supporters from here to Mexico, US, any Canada. And whatever tickets were available to the government, they were going to give it to Ghanaians who were outside the country. Ebusian for any revelations about Bontia yet from a NDC for journalist and say such tickets are Yakachre and say they were going to make it available to Ghanaians in the diaspora for free for them to go and support the Black Stars. Not knowing I ton tickets no Accra, Ghana. Tickets that were not for sale, that were meant to go and support Black Stars, and for the tickets now a business. Yeah, that is the import of whatever we are hearing today from NDC journalists. And guy, we him say, it's a nipa ni pro MPP. I just saw a pro MPP. We a clear pro NDC, clear pro NDC. Which tells you say, for a business how mudi sa work up ya Black Stars no call ye business how mudi ye no. Yeah. Mutie se kase NDC abanye set is abanya. Now I hope say you are beginning to see why we say that. And you say political talk kekeu. Say the president will put his integrity on the line by telling us say World Cup tickets going to be given to diaspora members to go and support the Black Stars. And then get later on you and I realize and say, whilst the president is saying this on one hand, on the other hand, officials are selling the tickets from Accra, from Ghana, to people who are in the diaspora. So you can see why this NDC government a disaster, a very, very disastrous government, a very disastrous governance is what is going on today, unfolding before our own eyes. And unfortunately, so whatever they deem fit is what they are going to do. We can only wait until 28 December to correct our mistake.
Tickets, Wasem. If you're a minister and you are concerned, I'm not voting abroad. You know what ticket to Ghana. People were selling tickets to them in Ghana from the ministry. You are aware. You know. If you don't know, do your investigation. People were selling tickets. I'm a Ghana for me. I'm could do a Ghana for. That's what I'm predators. I'm imagine say Ghana game a born against a born Boston. There are people who are driving from Worcester, about close to about 45 minutes drive. You'll be all driving from Maryland now. You'll be all driving here. Your people will drive 5 hours, 6 hours. Number one, a honor. So when you match in a weekday, what it means is that also a second word you which is an man hours, they be going into a cada day. Scanner Moody told tickets about $1,000, $1,200, and the 1 week paycheck. I know the baby chia. na when you over support Ghana. Na the baby baby didn't team who yet your mope. Because it's a place where we go national team. Now I say just like that. Because when I'm in charge of the national team. I mean, any of for Minister, sell tickets and there's a scandal on those tickets. I know the FA were selling their own tickets because almost say they requested from FIFA. And I know if first was nigga raising that issue. I'm afraid that wow, yeah, the ticket manager of the FA. Eba be chichimu. But me concern the tickets now Ghana buying toy, you know. Because we say we're going to send 800 people. Which means that you have 800 tickets per game. Hey, I buy there. Now way. And the ministry of Ghana head on. No more tono. Kansas City, Udia de Deneto, Cameron to a stands in the Ghana Grand Crab in a home. Ghana 4 stadium, we don't branded. Because Colombia. In fact, equal the form Baboa, almost consulate, our Times Square, New York. I think that time I hadn't. Obekonomi chiteti is more comfortable than ball. Ghana for and Kasamon Fanche. Ghana for they will buy the tickets. But sell it to them at a good price. Now take it at the face value. $60. You chose $60 and a good so no need tickets. FIFA subsidizing for supporters. No say Embra England for Navy as in sorry tickets in board. Ticket that chose $60. Near ton $700. Oyonku Ghanani and no tons had the amount edges can go butum. World Cup in Yako support Ghana yardin or no ye. Sagani you share 1,000 on Fahon. Why you are mean business venture. Ticket face value $180 near ton 800. Minister, we met at the airport. New shower airport. Near free. And then every Toronto near call. You never US if you can.
A him for papa and a to sini. Patino, him for pa na osha patino to sini pa go be yanka patino. Ya any ye.
Nina communication how is it?
Voice. We are master planner. Voice. That's our problem as a party. And yes, I say we kasa but she say you know in this I am a platform. Nkokaya se me no obi enu ebidi adanse was hasem we ho. I'm telling you say China Monday miracle asemi obi hu se ombebu agu MPP force China obi so all the media houses miracle mum and ombebile mu no di na ya NDC ensa no adwuma enti no I didn't see the party no say your council of elders or hodom na se bo mianso e wo ne nkrofa just on the team our no more. I didn't see that they almost strategize say the person mercy. I and we are there. Yes, Tina Honum Neja MP ship opesa okwakoyen. Because Okatechiri Afrifa, the ma OG or MPP more Ghana had a communication.
Yeah.
Communication, a horn or yard there. Think a party no your strategy and kebeti me na kasa ya hu se wo ambitious
mi juano o kasa ikrambo no asema na kambeka se o kate chefifa the way o si fa so communicate che papa no and the way o si ka no o se no o kasa ye pa o the way no si communicate o be prefer so be tie no so mo ti be bisa no ye man o de amedi kasa no
party no na strategic voice I'm telling you. Party no was so many to who say on person musisi party na omon fresh ankrofo yi okatechire any Paul adomochen so matese ono so eko egiso masa Paul efiri bibia wona eno ano na enyu obi amana
na se yen kan baby one air politics on person of economy na we kan so ono de otimi kasento on tana ho sa ono de on konani
no party
na me jamfi ono onya communication director so mba omo de na akose baby foforo obi apeso okonanim tie ndi eventi
a government appointment e dey ka party some more strategy
say how many times you want to Sami Jamfi or communicate me NDC how many times they say if it's on money
you know so the answer say or be communicating my NDC
maybe sound say politics obi akonanim no dey Sa base when argument we
na ni mu
dey.
na wo kan maybe a wakọ no no any party position government position ka
Yes,
party
so when you okonenim inti politics
yo
dey obi ayo okonenim.
wo ma men ka
Untimi kan
masiri
chiro obi se gina ha. Obi antimi
oh
nyesa.
me ma dwen na me chiro me ma dwen we a make kwara penimu bia no a wotie
Penny and Benny Footy, Benny Footy.
nti me so meka debi me so me susu na meka so
Me a former national chairman, me Jebi.
ayo nti me da meka de say party no e was say strategic nipa bi wo ho a e was say no mo kasa adwuma mo ye no omu firi ho a masa hwan na bi so ma na mu hwan Poladuma ochirihwe mfidudu a wode communication ma MPP ewo good evening Ghana na send o ku free our voice are you sure say benye obi ama wakọ si na namu ho no mana so that say sa na okatechi nso the communication ama party youth e penasem so that say tin campaign for it me ne kasai
Okatachi is not trustworthy.
Ose
Okatachi is not trustworthy. For now, no deal like I mean, who said for your true party member?
obey the day but recently
I don't think that be a me bam lie with na maka Dubois in 1991 speech I am a Thai kind extra muno. Te ebi audio ni ma me saya kan che obi ma me 1 minute.
Ahmed, me do what time man why? Me the be free to me the man. The more.
Ahmed, we are no mama kasa why?
Yeah. Dubois after a year Dubois said after the flag bearer is elected, anyone who doesn't speak the language of the flag bearer, and sing the song of the flag bearer or does anything that will barricade the party into success, that person shall be treated as an enemy. So, I do buy in a castle.
Okay.
A brony and Okaya can never call him. I can't.
I say politics
Ye party or see ye flag bearer we and as ye MP ewie now we constituency. Now say you don't speak the language of the flag bearer. You don't sing the song of the flag bearer. Now say we are dear beer. I'm a party ni entimi ni power. As I see a treat to see we your enemy. And no may refer to Okatachi Frifa and Samia ye can you. Me refer depending for ya omo sembia. Na sometimes ye didi a grumpany for omo kasamwa some na da ho 1,000 years kura na da ho. On said 1991 na Adubo Ahimasa speech you. So and so one said that wa be pim de bia for be almost 2 weeks ni de bia me ba ayi so na me refer to that speeching. Anybody who doesn't speak the language of the flag bearer and sing the song of the flag bearer no or be ye niema bia ma party ni entimi ma power no as I see a titi onipa no say we enemy of the party. Oh, until sometimes no and American so nim so purpose dia do whatever you want but so nim so that should be uko school beba be di party no position bi dia o kasa so hwe o kasa mu wie o dem de manuasi
that's it. The okano we so obi anim political yeah obi anim say flag bearer let's say the baby no I say you don't go hand in hand with the flag bearer nature say ye judia enyi but we ye nyina de nti ayebo katechi din in communication nyina ya hu do ye mfa mfomso awe ye ntonche ye hu de manim ya oba afofo o sha ase so kasa me MPP hu ni communication oba so ahwe number besa a eba so ebeti no so that say na make us a party no omo ne nkasa so omo ne ka na wanti ase da na kyerese o agenda bia e wose ehwe ni yi
bra
secondly,
ne nyina wo kasakura oda so the firm to sai jan firm ne nyina ne nyina o kasa there's not a single year o kasa or more akufo adudin anaso or more party ni din enka asem bia eyasem bone emfa ho enti me no to be honest the police for the year no mani nye ho bako me pe nipa ni human rights say on to be bad and I don't like that. But nyema no the party there, he have to come out boldly to apologize to the whole MPP members. Onye sadie no. Onye
Voice my memory.
omra out me pa mo chobi bia makafa party no bia no. Me sremo mo fa nche me enfun so.
made manu si no because I say person my kasa made manu si say oh yeah ufi say we popular and I say we scan I say Ghana for do youth do na say ufi say obetibi decide akọ parliament men ko bibia eye party ni stronghold enko create confusion o hodo fasadi ekọ bibia swing so just say
and I voter.
The facade no kwadi seat in the bread party. And kebe who be here pa because here as a MP or matching as anti baby I don't know say no finance out to MP or mochini. The same thing of course MPP. The same thing. So that say it's your best so visa would din and I will scar I'll bet be daddy MP. Men call party stronghold. Enko sell. Obi aye swing. Na for we nimu nyam no sika no di no edi seat ni bre MPP. I think say no be boa. Dan say obekọ bebia obi anim say hide the MPP. No ko create confusion. She said the IC division be back saba bi no division pa en kanka say ko primaries o moko ayi parliamentary primaries na wo nya. Enya asem kuma voice. Enya asem kuma. So we nyina ye party no mpemfo nyina be wi o mo so. Aya omye strategic no ma bi wa mo fo mo nji mu ntem namba me diagu voice me da say
Okay, Mr. Medase, Ahmed Nyakopon Shao.
Voice.